S P A C E T A T U M. Spacetatum.
Hello and welcome back to another coding video with me, Spacetatum. Thank you for stopping by. So today we're going to go over templates and I'm going to be letting you know the details about templates, and I'm also going to take you to the compiler and tell you how to actually compile something using templates. So starting off, I'm going to take y'all to the presentation first and let y'all see it. And now about templates. A template is a powerful feature that allows you to create generic classes and functions. A function template is a way to write a generic function that can work with different data types. And I know you see that I highlighted generic function. Generic function is a function that works within different data types and allows you to write a single function that can be used for various types of inputs in C++. Instead of writing separate code for each data type, you define a template that takes type parameter. And I also highlighted type parameter because that is also something that you need to know. Type parameters allow you to create the generic code that operates on different data types without knowing the specific types in advance. Examples of function templates include sort, max, min, and print array. And you see that it has the parentheses next to it. That's how you know that it would be a function template. And I talked about class templates a little bit about class templates. Class templates allow you to define a generic class that works independently in the data type. Class templates are usually useful for classes like linked list, binary tree, stack, queue, and also array. But overall, templates allow you to write flexible and reusable code, making C++ a powerful language for generic programming. Hello, we are at the compiler. So here's a little bit of how to code using functions. And I'm going to teach you a little bit about how to actually implement what I taught you. Talk about the generic function and show you inside of the code as well. So starting off this, we're going to use tell the compiler template, type name T. I'm going to tell you about this in 1 second. Void display value. And you want it to hold that generic function, which is a, oops, not. Let me open up these and put it, which is a type T, T, and then value. Open the curly brace. So let me tell you just a little bit about this. So I let the compiler know that we are using a template and that it will be called type name T, which is type name type. Void display value. So why I use void in front of display value, void, you use void whenever something doesn't return to anything. So you know how whenever we write things inside of the main, we always use return 0 to end the final statement always. So so if you don't use return 0, you have to use void, 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 void. Never forget that. And I put the generic function, which is value, T value, which is a type value. If you see right here, type, see the correlation with these two? They're both capitalized. So I'm letting it know that this is a type name T, and it's also gonna go, it's gonna be a template. So let's keep going. We're gonna tell the user see out. Next line, value, put the semicolon, and then put value. Make sure it's a capital V because C++ is case sensitive. So in a little bit about this, so we told the user by using cout value, which is what is going to pop up on there. Value is, then we got to put the value. So we're coming in here. We can close it. We're done using this, and then we can go into our main function. So int main, open and close, open curly bracket. And so I asked you to show your name, your income, and if you're taken or single. So we're gonna just go ahead and display those variables. So we have int age, and you make sure you're using your data. Don't use my data that I'm finna show you. I am 20. Oh, what happened? I am 20 years old. Uh, double income equals $40,000 a year. Bull. Yes, sir. Your boy is taking. Oh, what's going on? Taking this equals true. So, a little bit about these lines. Um, these are my variables. So I have my age. I set it to 20. My income 40,000. I'm not saying that's true or not. Bull taken. We put true. And remember, bull, true or false. Double takes in large numbers. Um, and age takes what int takes in an age. And string takes in names, and char takes in letters, single letters. So yes, we have this. That's not the end of this. Let's go over here. And so remember how I told you that generic function that we use, which was display value. So now we're gonna go back over here. And instead of writing C out or anything, we do not have to use C out at all. All you have to do is put display value and put the parentheses and put age. You don't even have to put the age, none of that. This is how easy with putting that template does to your code. So we have display value income. We have display again value, and you could just copy and paste it, but I'm choosing the route to just type it out. Taken semicolon return. And remember, I told you that everything in the main always returns to zero. So if you see how I returned it to zero here, and at the top in my template, I didn't return it to anything. And that is because I use the keyword void. Now let's see if it runs. Oh, choose a language. I'm sorry. My bad. He's always choose a language first. So it says something did not work. Double income is not in 40,000 numeric. So, you cannot put this. Sorry. No comma, no comma. Found out the bug really quick, fixed it. Now you see the value of my age is 20. Um, um, who says I make 40,000 a year, and it showed me a 1 for yes, I am taken. And if I would have said single, I would have to put false, and it would have showed 0. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope that you gained a lot of knowledge out of this video. And always remember to like, subscribe, and share the video. And never forget to hit that bell for post notifications. And thank you for watching the video with SPACETATUM Space Tatum.